Question 9. The diagram shows 10 identical coins which fit exactly inside a wooden frame. As a result, each coin is prevented from sliding. What is the largest number of coins that may be removed so that each remaining coin is still unable to slide? Triangles are key here. If we remove this corner piece here, these two, well, this one still has 3 points as which it is contained, or technically it has this one as well. So it has 4 points by which it's contained. So this one will stay still if this one is taken out. The same for each of those corner ones. Now, to stay still, it actually only needs 3 points at which are working against it. So we don't actually need this one either, because then if without these, each of them have 1, 2, 3 points of contact. So it's those 4 that we can remove, and therefore the answer is D, because we can remove a maximum of 4. There aren't any other ways that we can keep that 3-point connection going on. And I think the one that's easy to forget is that the edge is causing a point of contact as well.